You know, a long time shake and bake, roll the whole crew now, shake and bake now, boy. You know, just shake and bake, you know, you shake and bake long time. You know, shake and fry. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, welcome, morning, Bodow. We don't know, we just lineman vibes in a little bit. Foodie Nation by me here, so we're doing a little small thing here. We're going to Trinidad and Tobago, how we just really start to prep the fish, how we just put everything together from foundation to finish. Yeah? Don't know what we're doing again. So we're going to make now some fried fish and chips. We're going to do some small red fish for the fried fish and chips. Make sure and scrape your fish here, let's see. Oh, you blow in the block, alright. With the bucket. So you go scrape some nice small red fish here, as I was saying, for the fish and chips. As I say again, make sure and pass the scraper on your head. Make sure you get all the scale on the fish head. That's what it is about. One chuck. Alright, so we finished with this one process here. The next step is to wash, season. And as I say again, we're going along. Step by step, we're going to figure it out everything going along the way. Below. Lovely pieces of fish. Talking about. You know, a long time shake and bake, roll the whole crew now, shake and bake now, boy. You know, just shake and bake, you know, shake and bake long time. You know, shake and fry. Fish and chips, as you can see, as I'm telling everybody again, when you come up on the coastline, fish broth, fish and chips, bacon fish. They don't know oysters, shrimps, lobster, barracuda, kingfish, every little sort of thing. So when you come up on the coastline, look for many more things. You have a lot of varieties for you to choose from.